Good day everyone, welcome to Math with Teacher Justin, and today's topic we're going to talk about the arithmetic sequence. Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic we're going to talk about the arithmetic sequence and how to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Now, what is arithmetic sequence first? So the arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers with a common difference. For example, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on and so forth. They have a common difference to identify the next term of each sequence. Now the question is, how do we find the nth number of terms? So for example, in that sequence, how are we going to solve for the 20th term, the 100th term, or the 1000th term of that sequence, or any other sequence? In order for us to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, we will use the formula x sub n is equal to x sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, wherein x sub 1 is the first term, x sub n is the nth term, n is the number of term in the sequence, and d is the common difference. Okay, so let's have an example. Okay, let's have our first example. So find the 17th term of the arithmetic sequence 1, 5, 9, and so on. So our arithmetic sequence here is 1, 5, 9, and so on and so forth. So the question is, we're looking for the 17th term of this sequence. You will have x sub 17 is missing. Now, in order for us to use the formula, we need to find the following terms. So let's identify our given. We have the first term, which is x sub 1, which is equal to 1. The number of terms in this sequence will be 17. So n is equal to 17 because we're looking for the 17th term. And the next thing that we will look for is the common difference. So if we're going to observe our sequence, in order for us to get the next one, we will just add 4. So plus 4 to get 5, and we have to add 4 to get 9. So our difference, our common difference, will be 5 minus 1 or 9 minus 5. That is equal to 4. So to get the common difference, we will just subtract the second term and the first term. So we have d is equal to 4. Now that we completed our given, we can now use the formula x sub n is equal to x sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay, the arithmetic sequence formula. So let's substitute all the given. We have x sub 17 is equal to 1 plus the quantity 17 minus 1 times 4. So here in this case, we will apply the order of operation, which is we will start first with the grouping. So 17 minus 1, that will give us 16. So then, again, order of operation. So after groupings, exponent, since we don't have any exponent, we proceed to multiplication and division from left to right. So since we have multiplication here, 16 times 4. We will start with 16 times 4, which is 64. Then we add 1 plus 64, and the 17th term of this arithmetic sequence is 65. Okay, so that's it. Alright. Okay, now let's proceed to our second example. Find the 40th term of the arithmetic sequence negative 9, negative 1, 7, and so on and so forth. So according to our problem, we're looking for the 40th term. Let's identify the given in our problem. So let's look at our first term, which is negative 9. Our n, the number of terms, so n is equal to 40. You can get it here. And to get the common difference, like I said before, we will have our second term minus our first term. So if you're going to see, the common difference will be negative 1 minus negative 9. And that will give us 8. Now that we have our given, we can now use our formula, arithmetic sequence formula. X sub n is equal to x sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So let's substitute our given. We will have x sub 40 is equal to negative 9 plus the quantity 40 minus 1 times 8. So let's apply the order of operation to simplify our equation. So we will start first with the grouping. So start with 40 minus 1. So grouping first. So we will have negative 9 plus 39 times 8. Then we proceed to multiplication. Okay, so we multiply 39 times 8. So it will give us 312. Now let's add, combine like terms, negative 9 plus 312. It will give us our final answer, which is the 40th term in this arithmetic sequence. And that will be 303. So this will be our final answer. Alright, now that you already know how to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, it is your turn to try it. Please try to answer this sequence. We have 13, 21, 29, and 37. And we're going to look for the following terms. We are going to look for the 10th term, 26th term, and the 53rd term. So if you need time to answer, pause the video, and if you have your answers, please leave your answers in our comment section below. Now that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, comments, recommendations for my next video, please leave a comment in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. For more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. That's it for today. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on our next video. Peace.